and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Well, like all my recipes, today's recipe too is going to be quick, easy, yet delicious. So, without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So friends, let's start with today's recipe. Now here I've taken about 1.5 cup of moong and I've just washed it thrice under running water and soaked it for about 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Now we'll go through the other ingredients. So this is the dal. I've drained out all the water. This is one light green chili cut finely, some coriander, some curry leaves, some cumin, some turmeric powder, some asafoetida or hing, and some mustard seeds, and a lime. All the ingredients with the exact measurements will be given in the description box below. So here I've just heated about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. To the oil, I'm going to add my mustard seeds and wait till they pop. Once they pop, I'm going to add my green chilies and fry the green chilies well. Then I'm going to add a little bit of hing or asafoetida. Then go in my curry leaves. Let the curry leaves also fry a bit. Then I'm going to add my turmeric powder or haldi powder. Then I'm going to add my jeera or my cumin seeds. And then I'm going to add this soaked moong dal. That's it, friends. That's all you require. Of course, a little bit of salt. And that's it. So now we're just going to give this all a nice mix so it gets well incorporated with the rest of the bagar or the fodni. Now this recipe was shared by my very close friend Pavitra Sargaonkar, and this is my daughter Ira's favorite. She loves to eat this. It's so easy to prepare, it gets ready quickly, and it's really very delicious. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. I'm going to add a pinch of sugar. Now we're going to mix everything very well. See that you fry everything nicely so that everything gets nicely mixed up together. And now we're just going to add a little bit of water because we want to cook the dal a bit. So just enough water to cover up the dal. So if you're taking 1.5 cup of moong dal, then about 2 cups of water should suffice. And now let this cook on a low to medium flame. And we're going to let all the water evaporate. So first let it come to a boil. And then we're just going to cover and cook it and stirring in between just to check. And we want all the water to evaporate. That's when our moong dal bhaji is all ready to eat. Now I also have a recipe for moong dal bhaji. I will leave a link below. And that's it, friends. Our water has all evaporated. Our vegetable is ready. And we just have to add a squeeze of lime and some fresh coriander. So add in the coriander, mix it in well, then turn off your gas and add your lemon juice. This goes very well with some nice hot chapatis or puris. So that's it, and now I'm going to add my lemon juice. Now, one tip over here, if you're squeezing the lemon directly, always squeeze the lemon juice into a spoon. That way, if there are any lemon seeds or lemon pips, you can pick them out and you don't have to search for them in the vegetable. And then just mix, and your dish is all ready to serve. So friends, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below what you thought of today's recipe. Do share my recipes with family and friends. Spread the word about Akshata's recipes. You can also follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and I also have my own blog. All links are going to be down in the description box below, as well as the comment section below, as well as today's recipe, the entire recipe with all the ingredients, the exact measurements, the method, everything is going to be in the description box below. So be sure to go and click it, and you can find everything there. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. I need those likes. Just click the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below the screen. Once you have subscribed, a little bell icon will pop up. Click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new video, you will get a message for the same. Also, when I'm online, you can chat with me. You get a message that Akshata is online doing a live stream, so you can be a part of the live stream too. So friends, thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. So I'll sign off, but before signing off, let me tell you my message as usual, which is stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till we meet again, this is Akshata signing off. Bye.